So the Gemara said that we're going to learn Kerem Revai, as it says here. We're going to learn it from a Gezerah Shava, that the fruits of the fourth year need to be taken to Yerushalayim. The Gemara said that there's a word Hilulim, which one of them is extra. We'll be able to use it to teach us a bracha, that you need to say bracha before you eat. The Gemara says maybe it only means after you eat. Before you eat, how would we know? The Gemara says, oh, that's not a problem. I'm going to learn it from a Kal V'chaimer. Now the Gemara asks, so we know that you need to say a bracha before you eat fruits of a vineyard. We know that from the Kal V'chaimer, we know it from Gezerah Shava, we know it from the word Hillel. So Ashkachan Kerem, we only find by a vineyard. Shar minim minayim, other types, minayin, from where do we know that you need to say a bracha, of course? That's the question. The answer is the Yalef Mikerem. We can learn it from Kerem. The word the Yalef, the Dalet is a prefix. So de Yalef. Yalef means to learn. It's similar to the word Aleph, which means to teach. So yet the Yalef Mikerem, we'll learn it from Kerem. Now we're going to learn from Kerem, that's called a Ma Matzino. Just as we find by a Kerem, so too everywhere else. And the Gemara says it like this, Ma Kerem. The word Ma usually means what? But here we're going to translate it as just as. Ma Kerem, just as a vineyard. Davar Shenana is something that gives pleasure. Viton Bracha, and it also requires a blessing. So Af, also, Kol Davar Shenana, anything that gives pleasure, To'un Bracha, will also require a blessing. And there we have it, that we have a limud, a teaching, for to say the bracha before and probably after, but first we're discussing the bracha before we eat any other fruit, even though it's not from a vineyard.